working all my life, you know. Only God knows, only God knows, only God knows.
I'm my new girl from the Sacred. Okay, so let's try to do these curls. Hey loves, in today's video, I will be silk pressing my hair, and I only silk pressed my hair once. This is my hair right after me silk pressing it after I left the nail salon, and I got home, took a shower, and I decided to get up and say, let's try heatless curlers. Okay, so this is my very first time trying the heatless curlers on straight hair. I never curled my hair or did anything to it. So it was shocking to see a little bit of the results. Again, it's my first time using them, so bear with me, bear with the process. But I did and have been wearing my hair. I think this is like a week, so maybe 5 days, if not 7 days in on wearing the heatless curlers. And I do have all these linked on my Amazon storefront if you are interested. Again, I'm just as shocked as anyone else. And I would love to say this is not even my thing. Like, curls is not my thing. This 40s, 60s blowout hairstyle is not my thing. I just said, okay, we're going to be leaving our hair alone. What can we do other than wrapping it and keeping it straight and adding clip-ins so I can just wear it itself? And I said, let me try the heatless curler since it's so trendy. And yeah, they got me. But the funny thing is, I had the heatless curlers for over a year, and I think I tried it on my daughter because the pink one is hers. She has 3 pink, I have 3 black, but one of my black ones got lost in my drawer, so I think it's behind my drawer somewhere. So I have 2 black ones, so I need to use one of hers. And so I have these box of curlers that I never use, but I was seriously shocked to see the results from using the heatless curlers. I love the way my hair turned out, but again, this is not my thing. So this is day 2, and day 2 I was like, okay, never mind how much sunscreen is on my face. That's why my face looks so white, and the lighting is probably up a lot, but I have sunscreen on as well, and so that's what the white cast is on my face. So never mind that, it will blend in as I start maneuvering around. So day 2, the curls look even more vibrant. By this time, I added Sacred to the ends of my hair, so my hair on those suede curlers wouldn't get stuck. And so you can tell I'm feeling myself here in this clip because I was shocked. After using a little Sacred, again, never put heat back on my hair after silk pressing it. All I was doing was coming home, putting a little oil before rolling them onto the heatless roller, and stocking cap my hair, and then putting another bonnet on top of that so my hair would stay in place, taking a shower, going to bed, waking up, doing it the next day. This is a day I'm going to work. And with that being said, I was like, oh, am I going to wear all my hair down? And then when I get to work, it might fall. So I was playing around with it. So I've been going back and forth with, when I'm at home, I wear it all out. And when I go to work, I kind of just get one of my either silk scrunchies or one of my clip bows. I don't put any tight rubber scrunchies on my hair at this point because, again, we're trying to prevent breakage. Of course, my hair is not as thick as I want, but I noticed that this helps my hair look so much more fuller. So I decided to put on one of my velvet bows, and I was off to see The Wizard of Oz at work, okay? But am I in love with this? Yes, I am, and I will continue to do it until I either add some clip-ins, maybe a little bit, while I make this wig, because that's the next thing. All my hair is getting braided down, and by the time you see my hair again, it'll be at the bottom of my back. Hey, loves. Her hair is fully dry, and I'm back to press it after blow drying it. I did order the Wavy Talk. I'll put that clip in, but I'm just not sure that's what I want to go with when it comes to a blow dryer. I compared it against my other blow dryer. I actually have them both here. Yeah, I was thinking about giving the pink set to my daughter, but the difference is if you look at the brushes, this one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 2 extra tubes on it. It's just so much, you know? It's like so many of these things, and I feel like it's way more aggressive on the hair versus if you look at this, it's less brush bristles, and it's more of the iron titanium than this one. This one just has too many, and I just feel like this is way more heavier because it is larger. I mean, they're about the same height, but this one is a bit larger. It's heavier. I'm just thinking what I'm gonna do with it. I mean, aesthetically, it's gorgeous, but this one right here, hands down, top tier. Haven't found anything better than that. I'm gonna return it, or am I gonna give it to my daughter? I wouldn't want to give something to my daughter that will damage her hair. So I did get to blow drying my hair yesterday, and I'm about to press it because I'm on the way to the nail. I have a nail appointment, guys. My nails are a mess. But yeah, I'm on the way to the nail salon, and I don't plan on wearing my hair out after washing it and doing all that to it. I'm going to wrap it back up once I get it pressed. But I just want to get it pressed and get that out the way so when I come home, I can rest. Okay, so that's what we're about to get into. I'm probably going to put on some music. This is the Wavy Talk brush as well. And I just love this whole aesthetic set. So I may just keep it for that purpose and maybe give her everything. Because it's like for amateurs, I guess. An amateur could appreciate it. Me, myself, I can feel the difference. Again, like I said, it comes with 5 pieces and I'll put the clip in. She can use the other pieces like the paddle brush and then also the brush for curling. I might try to use it to see in a video, does it really work? So I guess I'm keeping it. One thing about me, to get to me to return something, I gotta really like hate it. Like, cause I do a lot of research prior to buying anything. So I have to like really hate it to like really return things, because I'm just not a big returner. But mind you, working in retail, the return market, I don't know how companies stay afloat. I really don't, because the return market is crazy. The way people return things, not really beauty stuff, because a lot of beauty companies do dispose of a lot of that stuff, depending what it is, but clothes and things of that nature. Like, people just return everything. And it's... Okay, so we're going to start out with using some Chi on my hair. Not too much, because again, I want a decent silk press. I don't want it to be too heavy at all. I don't want it to be heavy at all. Mainly focusing that on my ends. And just rubbing that through my hair. And we're going to get going because, again, I have a 10 o'clock appointment. It's 7:47, so I need to be done fast. And I should use the Wavy Talk brush because it's way more like delicate on my hair when I say I can get close in. But I might just go over last with that right now. I just really want a decent silk press, so I'm just going to get to it. I may not shoot every ounce of this because, of course, this takes time. Okay. Let's make sure it's a tangle from root to end. I mean, this big thing right here. You would think it's not necessary, but it is. It's very necessary. And my hair grew. My hair grew. Okay. Something to look forward to. Yeah, I need those like really easy presses. I make it look easy. It ain't always easy. And keep going. It should be a smooth ending. I don't want a bone straight silk press anyway, but mind you, my hair grew. I've had to pull out my other mirror, y'all, because a little bit of chi, a drop of chi, mainly on my ends. Mainly on my ends. Comb to detangle. It's a smaller piece too. That could be what it is. I was using way bigger pieces before, but to me, none of that should matter. She's like a rough Barbie. She giving rough Barbie. I had to pull out my back mirror because honey, I was just eyeballing it. And eyeballing it wasn't eyeballing it. Just a little bit. That should be making my hair too silky. Mainly focus on my ends. It's a kind of thick piece, so I just really want to go through that. And comb it all the way through. Hopefully we get no snags this time around. I ain't making a mess of myself. Like, eyeballing it wasn't getting me nowhere. Eyeballing it wasn't getting me nowhere. Okay, so this is this side. And the goal is, okay, when I cut my ends and my hair is blunt about right there, I might as well show y'all. This is the results. She probably would do good with some layers. Before I wrap her, I am gonna clip ends. But I kind of want to make sure I do this right. It's given I'm gonna have to take a lot of hair off, which I don't want to do, but that don't look like nothing. All right, so I cut the hair. Mind you, I cut a hole in my brand new shirt. I'm so pissed. I was gonna put some sacred oil in my hair, but I'm kind of scared because it's just probably gonna get too, whatchamacallit? But my hair feels amazing. I'm gonna put some big curls in it so I can have some volume later. So come back for that, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, my hair has been stuck at this length, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it to where I want it because I gotta keep trimming it, and it could look like it's getting longer, but it's telling me maybe I need to wear it so I can do that. But boy, what she makes the prettiest ponytails. It's the only thing I can say about my hair is once my hair is pressed, she makes the prettiest ponytails. But we're not doing that. We're about to wrap it so I can get out of here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for staying throughout this process. And yeah, let's work on getting our hair thick, I guess, because I think we have healthy hair. We have a decent amount of hair. I just think all the manipulation has made it not as thick as I would want it to be. But I think the reason my hair don't feel thick too is because of the process. Like if I did a roller set, my hair will feel way thicker. Yeah, I'm gonna roll my hair up in rollers just to get that body and that thickness and that fullness. So I think this might be the last time I press my hair for another year.